This airdrop costs $0 with a potential profit between $500 to $1,000. Step by step, this is how you farm points on the Bubble platform that will be used to claim your Bubble tokens. First and foremost, you need just two things to participate in this airdrop. That is your Twitter and your MetaMask wallet. To increase your points means increasing the number of tokens you're likely to get from this airdrop. So you can also use your other socials, and all can be done in 5 minutes. Bubble is a gaming crypto project developed by the world's leading Web3 entertainment company known as Imaginary Ones. You can start earning points now that will unlock your airdrop for supporting the ecosystem at imaginaryOnes.com. To get started, connect to Bubbles with your X or Twitter account. I'll leave the link in the description. Then authorize Imaginary One's website to access your account. This is your dashboard where you have Bubble points, social points, and then Imaginary Pass. Below your social points, you can see how many points you have already earned. The latest task to do right now is interacting with this tweet. All you have to do is click go to tweets. Automatically your Twitter will open, and all you have to do is like, repost, and comment about this tweet. When that is done, go back to the Bubble page and click claim reward. To access more tasks, keep scrolling down below your social points. There are hundreds of them you can do by a simple interaction, and each will reward you between 2,000 to 10,000 points. You can earn points in 2 more ways. One, by downloading the Bubble game onto your phone and connecting it onto your Imaginary Ones account. Every time you play the Bubble game and earn points, they will be credited to you and will reflect in your account under the Bubble points. You can also earn more points by participating in the Bubble special events like Twitter Spaces, where you'll be given a code that you can use to redeem the Imaginary Pass. Holding this pass will automatically qualify you for the Bubble airdrop regardless of how many points you have. In addition to referring friends, you can also earn more extra points by subscribing to the Imaginary Ones YouTube channel and following them on their Instagram and TikTok. Once each task is done, remember to go back to the Bubble page and click the claim button. Mostly they are all easy tasks that don't require any effort, so anyone can make money with this. Let me hope this video was helpful, and please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.